हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू अ चैनल। तो जैसे आप लोग जानते हैं कि सीबीएसई ने हर सब्जेक्ट के लिए, हर स्ट्रीम के लिए रिवाइज सिलेबस ऑफ 2020 एंड 2021 एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए रिलीज़ कर दी हैं। तो आज हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि बिज़नेस स्टडीज़ में कौन से सब्जेक्ट डिलीट हुए हैं, कि कौन से टॉपिक्स डिलीट हुए हैं एंड कौन से टॉपिक्स इंक्लूडेड हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो पार्ट 1 दैट इज़ प्रिंसिपल्स एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। इसमें जो हमारा यूनिट 1 है दैट इज़ नेचर एंड सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, इसमें से हमारा कोई भी टॉपिक डिलीट नहीं हुआ है, इसमें सब टॉपिक्स इंक्लूड है। दैट इज़ मैनेजमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स, मैनेजमेंट एज साइन, आर्ट एंड प्रोफेशन, लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, कोऑर्डिनेशन, मैनेजमेंट फंक्शंस एक्सेट्रा, ये सब आपका क्या है, सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड है। नेक्स्ट यूनिट इज प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। इस यूनिट में भी आपका सब चीज़ें इंक्लूडेड है। दैट इज प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड सिग्निफिकेंस, फ्यूल्स एंड टेलर्स, मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स एंड टेक्निक्स। So guys, let's move to the third unit, that is management and business environment. Under this the topic demonetization. Demonetization जो आपको टॉपिक का कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये हमारा क्या हो चुका है, डिलीट। Apart from that, business environment concepts and importance, dimensions of business environment, ये सब included है। And your this topic, that is impact of government policies on business with special reference to LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization, आपका ये टॉपिक क्या हो चुका है, डिलीट। नाउ इन यूनिट नंबर 4 दैट इज़ प्लानिंग। तो प्लानिंग में हमारा सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड है, कॉन्सेप्ट्स, इंपॉर्टेंस, लिमिटेशन, प्लानिंग प्रोसेस। बट दिस टॉपिक योर single use and standing use plans, objectives, strategy, policy, procedure, method, rule, budget and program. That is the developing and understanding of single use and standing use plans, आपका ये टॉपिक क्या हो चुका है, डिलीट। So under the unit 5 of organizing, the divisional concept, that is formal and informal concept, this concept is deleted from your examination point of view, from your syllabus. That is understand the concept of formal and informal groups, discuss the advantages disadvantages of formal and informal group। आपका जो ये वाला टॉपिक है, ये टॉपिक आपका डिलीट हो चुका है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द कॉन्सेप्ट में इम्पॉर्टेंस, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग प्रोसेस, डेलीगेशन, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन, ये सब आपके टॉपिक्स इंक्लूड है। And unit number 6, that is staffing. Your staffing as a part of human resource management, this whole topic is deleted from your syllabus. And apart from that, concept and importance of staffing is there, staffing process, recruitment process, selection process and training and development concepts, importance, ये सब आपके क्या है, included, and your this topic is deleted. So guys, in unit directing, as you know, directing is a bit lengthy chapter. The concept and importance is not deleted. Elements of directing is there, supervising, motivation, leadership, all this full-fledged topics are there. But under the topic communication barriers to effective communication and how to overcome this topic is deleted from your syllabus. That is discuss the various barriers to effective communication and suggest measures to overcome such barriers. So this topic is deleted. And the last unit of part A is controlling. Under the controlling, the relationship between planning and controlling is deleted. That is describe the relationship between planning and controlling, this topic is deleted. And the concept and importance is there, and steps in process of control. So with this we have covered the part A of business studies, which topics are included and which topics are deleted. So now move to the part B, that is business finance and marketing. Under this financial management, the whole sole topic is included, nothing is deleted. That is concepts and objective, financial decisions, financial planning, capital structure, fixed and working capital, all these topics are included. Also same with the unit 10, the financial markets concept, functions and types, money and markets is its instruments, all these topics are included. Unit 11, that is marketing management. Under this selling and market concept, it is a very important topic. Marketing management, marketing functions, marketing management philosophies, marketing mix, product, price, physical distribution and promotion. Under this topics, only the physical distribution topic, that is concepts and components and channels of distribution, types and choice of channels, only this topic is deleted from your syllabus under this whole chapter. And the last chapter is the consumer protection. Under this, the concepts and importance of consumer protection, the topic of importance of consumer protection, that is describe the importance of consumer protection, is deleted from your syllabus. And lastly, the consumer awareness, role of consumer organization and NGO is deleted from your syllabus, and this very thing is included, that is Consumer Protection Act 1986. This is included. So let's have a glimpse again from unit 3 of management and business environment, demonetization, and this topic LPG is deleted. In planning, single and standing use plans are deleted. Organizing, divisional concept, formal and informal concepts are deleted. In staffing as a human resource management is deleted. In directing, communication barriers and how to overcome is deleted. In controlling, the relationship between planning and controlling is deleted. In financial management and financial markets, nothing is deleted. And marketing management, your physical distribution method, your channels, this topic is deleted. And lastly, in consumer protection, the importance of consumer protection and consumer awareness, role of consumer organization and NGOs is deleted. So I hope you are clear with all the topics which are deleted and which are included in your business study exam. So अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करना and share with your friends for such knowledge. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Bye guys.